Hello everyone, this is Hyan Lee and Yejin Moon. Today we will talk about Unit 10, Dealing with Problems. We have 6 parts today. Part 1 is about a complaint and writing a complaint. Part 2 is about reference numbers. Part 3 is about complaining. Part 4 is about explaining the situation. Part 5 is about requesting action and some expressions, those are polite, and some other expressions, those are impolite. Lastly, part 6 is about complaints and solutions. I will be talking about part 1 to part 3, and Yejin will talk about part 4 to part 6. So what will we learn through this unit? In this unit, you will learn how to complain politely, describe a situation or problem, suggest a solution, and to write an email and letter complaining about a service or product. There are some situations or some problems, and sometimes you have to complain. However, it is very important to describe a situation or problem well and to complain politely. So I hope you will be able to learn how to describe the situation or problem and also learn how to complain politely. So let's begin. Part 1, a complaint and writing a complaint. Please look at your book, page 60. Number 1, read the email to an internet bookseller quickly. Why is Ricardo writing? Let's read the email together. Dear Libronet, I am writing to complain about the above order. I ordered Improve Your Memory by Ivan Nietzsche, but this morning I received Power Memory by Eileen Dover. I would appreciate it if you would replace the book free of charge. Sincerely, Riccardo Monticelli. So, why is Riccardo writing? As you can see in the first sentence, he is writing to complain about his order. Now, let's move on to question number 2. Now, answer the questions. A. What did Riccardo order? As you can see in the next sentence, it says, he ordered Improve Your Memory by Ivan Nietzsche. B. What is the problem? He received a different book. He ordered Improve Your Memory by Ivan Nietzsche, but he received Power Memory by Eileen Dover. C. What does he want Leronet to do? As you can see in the next sentence, he wants Leronet to replace the book free of charge. D. Does he want to pay Leronet more money? No, he doesn't. He said he wants Libernet to replace the book free of charge. That means he doesn't want to pay more money to Libernet. Now let's look at the page 61. Fill in the blanks using the words below. There are 5 words: explain, possible, reference, polite, and solving. When you write a complaint letter, fax, or email, you should A. Include a blank number if you have one. Include a reference number if you have one. B. Send the complaint as soon as possible. C. Blank the situation clearly. Explain the situation clearly. D. Suggest a way of blank the problem. Suggest a way of solving the problem. E. Be blank. Be polite. So these, from A to E, these are some parts that you have to keep in your mind when you write a complaint letter, fax, or email. Now let's move on to part 2, reference numbers. Please look at your book, page 61. If you have a reference number, you should write it at the beginning of your complaint. In an email, when you are writing an email, you can use the subject line. As you can see in the picture and in the red box, you can write your reference number in the subject line. When you are writing a letter or fax, you can write the number as a separate, underlined first line. As you can see in the picture in the red box, after writing salutation, dear someone, you can write it like that. Or you can also write the number in the main text. After the salutation, I am writing with reference to my last order and the number. So there are two options when you write a letter or a fax. Now, let's look at your book, page 62. Number 2, look at these two letters. Complete the letters with these phrases. There are 4 phrases. Mr. Stevens, my account number 773206. Regarding my order, and RF553. Let's read the letter first. Dear Sir or Madam, re-order blank. I am writing blank for 6 widescreen television sets. I ordered them 3 weeks ago, but they have not arrived. Please let me know when to expect delivery. Sincerely yours, James Cameron. So, what could be the answer for the first blank? The answer is RF553. As we learned from the before slide, we can write the reference number after the salutation in the letter. Then how about the second blank? I am writing regarding my order for 6 widescreen television sets. Now let's move on to the next letter. Dear blank, I am writing about blank. I would appreciate it if you would send me a statement for this month. Regards, Mary Stewart. So what is the answer for the first blank? The answer is Mr. Stevens. And the salutation, you have to write the person's name or position that you are writing to. And I am writing about my account number 773206. As we learned, you can write your reference number in the main text, just as the sentence in this letter. Now let's move on to part 3, complaining. Please look at your book, page 62. There are some expressions to begin your message about your complaint. So there are 4 expressions. You can use I am writing to complain about. I am writing about a problem with. I am writing with reference to. I am writing about something. But you should keep in your mind that first 2 sentences, the first 2 expressions, I am writing to complain about something, and I am writing about a problem with something. These 2 expressions have a stronger complaining tone. So you should consider the problem situations or maybe the relationship, and you should use the appropriate expression. So now let's try writing some sentences to complain. Use a different expression each time. First, let's look at the example. A. Order number 7214649, Connex digital camera. You can say, I am writing to complain about order number 7214-649, Connex digital camera. We have learned 4 expressions, so you can use any of them. Let's try it. B. My subscription to your magazine. There are 4 possible answers. I am writing to complain about my subscription to your magazine. I am writing about a problem with my subscription to your magazine. I am writing with reference to my subscription to your magazine. I am writing about my subscription to your magazine. Any of them could be your answer. Please check with your answer. C. The meal I ate at your restaurant on October 27th. There are 4 possible answers. I am writing to complain about the meal I ate at your restaurant on October 27th. I am writing about a problem with the meal I ate at your restaurant on October 27th. I am writing with reference to the meal I ate at your restaurant on October 27th. I am writing about the meal I ate at your restaurant on October 27th. Any of them could be your answer too. Last one. D. Item number 346-2001 skirt. The answers could be, I am writing to complain about item number 346-2001 skirt. Or you could change the front expressions to I am writing about a problem with, I am writing with reference to, or I am writing about. Any of them could be your answer, so please check your answer. From now on, from part 4, Yejin will tell you about more about explaining the situation and some expressions, those are polite and those are impolite. So now, Yejin, please start your presentation.
Hello everyone, my name is Yejin Moon. I'm the last speaker of Unit 10. Now, let's start the last part. Please look at the bottom of the page 63. Look at this language focus box. When you make a complaint, you can combine contrasting information like this. The chairs arrived yesterday. They were damaged. And you can write, the chairs arrived yesterday, but they were damaged. It is commonly used in complaint letters to give contrasting information. Then we make a sentence. Match the sentence A to D with the complaint 1 to 4, then connect the sentence with but. A. I ordered a small skirt. B. I ordered the camera 3 weeks ago. C. I reserved a table by the window. D. I received the August and October issues. Number 1. I'm still waiting for delivery. Number 2. It was next to the kitchen. Number 3. I received a large one. Number 4. I did not receive the September issue. The answer is to connect A with number 3. I ordered a small skirt, but I received a large one. And connect B and number 1. I ordered the camera 3 weeks ago, but I'm still waiting for delivery. And connect C and number 2. I reserved a table by the window, but it was next to the kitchen. Connect D and number 4. I received the August and October issues, but I did not receive the September issue. I will show you a picture and make a sentence like you just did. Write a similar sentence using one of the situations below or your one idea. First picture, I ordered a vase, but it was broken. Second picture, I ordered some jeans, but they were too large. And the last picture, I ordered a table, but one leg was missing. Now, let's look at the page 64. We learn about the casting action and polite or impolite. Look at this useful language box. Please send a replacement as soon as possible. I would appreciate it if you would give me a refund as soon as possible. I would appreciate it if you would replace free of charge. And write a similar sentence using the following idea. For example, send me the correct size. You can change, please send me the correct size. B, refund the price of the meal. You can change, please refund the price of the meal. C, send me the missing issue. You can change, please send me the missing issue as soon as possible. D, confirm that you shipped the order. You can change, I would appreciate it if you would confirm that you shipped the order. And write a sentence from exercise 5.1 that then write the matching sentence from exercise 6.1. For example, I ordered a small skirt, but I received a large one. Please send me the correct size. Please stop the video for a moment and write a sentence referring to the sentence written on page 63. Let's check the answer. B. I ordered the camera 3 weeks ago, but I'm still waiting for delivery. Please confirm that you shipped the order. C. I reserved a table by the window, but it was next to the kitchen. I would appreciate it if you would refund the price of the meal. D. I received the August and October issues, but I did not receive the September issue. Please send me the missing issue as soon as possible. Which sentence in each pair is not polite? A. I'm not satisfied with your product. Your product is garbage. B. Send me a refund immediately. I would like a refund. C. I am disgusted with your service. I'm unhappy with your service. D. The printer doesn't work. The stupid printer is useless. E. You're completely dishonest. I think you overcharged me. F. The bathroom wasn't clean. Do you ever clean the bathrooms? Please stop the video for a second and think about which sentence in each pair is not polite and why it is not polite. Let's check the answer. A. The answer is your product is garbage because garbage is not polite word. B. Send me a refund immediately because immediately is not polite. C. I am disgusted with your service because disgusted is not polite. D. The stupid printer is useless. It's not polite because stupid and useless is not polite. E. You're completely dishonest because completely dishonest is not polite. F. Do you ever clean the bathrooms? Because do you ever is not polite. And next, we'll review about complaints and solutions. We can organize this part by thinking about what we learned today. Read the complaints below, then write the appropriate solution. Number 1. The book I received was used and new. Please discount the price. Number 2. I have been waiting for my CDs for 4 weeks. Please send my order as soon as possible. Number 3. The price on the internet for a room was $79, but you charged my credit card $129. Please send me a refund. And number 4. The software I ordered doesn't work on my computer. Can I exchange the software for another version? Number 5. I ordered a medium, but I received a large. Please send me a replacement. Our class will end here. Thank you for watching our presentation.